the weekend, Assembly kakra ekayen bibi. Na minim say the worker temun sem ye kano ye boso kakra, and which happens to be a visual artist Ibrahim Mahama incident ekoso ewo the northern region. Na akayen bibi she say edu na bia ye abambofo no, not only the police but mekai ejira incidents where protest kakra ni ade na ekoso no, a military man just obu nkotodwe issue into the crowd, which committee in trans no mu said there be na nko betumi aye bibi amana yiye embo mo recommend say ehu hia say military training, any other training for security officers ni na omu hwe ni yiye na omu ye ntete ni yiye enye sa amfomso no bekoso akoso and it showed the gap in our security service training na yewo. Aside from that, yekoye chipa in 2006 so bekaya 65 police officers and benifo eyuomedi, they were dismissed. Say omo abuse eye enkrofo ewo ekromu ha, omo brutalizing enkrofo. Now in 2004, 2 years before Krano, some 12 officers na yedi kan so dismiss womu because of some assaults, any violation of other people's right. Manfo fa anwudi a won motiatia so in the name of say or she uniform enti tumi nyina ekura no oye na adwuma onfa mra nya adwuma said ye se no onye. Enche kura 2022 year Islamic High School, a school for almost say abreport barekese stretch no ne ade no e was sentimental a car bobo mu ecolix no dodo nti school for na kan penifo nhwe no ma ye nti omo ye protest se omo si kwan no ko si penifo be ba ye e wo mu se kwan na omo si no aka ntimi nkom ma no de is wrong. But the approach of the Ghana Police Service we ase omo ko hwehwe pepper spray ko spray gun kwada isu ma ebi no mu kyese ebi collapse we ase about 25 students ye hospitalize omo mko da hospital e man kwada isu ni ade police fu ko wi ase police fu no bi kura nso wo mu prepare because na ko ba asa no kwada no so wo ma tu agumu a enya asem ketwa. And when some of these things happen na mbisa me won say training na yedema a police fu asoja fu di we no enti ne ye friend de-escalation technique no eya na ye kire wo mo ana ye nkire wo mo ana nimdie ni mu wo se ye betumi a kire wo mo saa ebra obibu afu ana obi ye bibi a onu mfiri se sebe ne oye no no na dwirimu de ofin se eye etwaso oye enti wo kaso wonyai kura oso wonyai no kwan be na abefa so a ube approach nipa no a ebe this escalate sa tension sa anger no abufuo no tension na wo ho sa abre no kwan be na abefa so a wo ye police ni soja ni wo be kasa wo be ye wo no ma enkofa abufuo ma MPP no wo be hwe no ni akotutuo na bia no awura omo a omo so sebe sa abre no ma no num bia omo ani so ye nti ukotutuo no omo so na ya je aguru hey but ukodu ho na protest o de na ekoso no. What is the first step a ese uteki ansana other forces no apply? But ube no eye ya na eje atuom ni ato eye ya na eburu obi ni e de mrahye ensem because ye ya bambofo ya hye ntade ni aso nipa mu ni ebo no se wuli Ghana police fo be 10 echi a nipa 10 ayachi wo ma ayachi wo se bia o ma ya abonefo sem bia na bibi o ma ya ayachi wo ma wuli mu be 10 ya emu be ya enan ni numu de anya hwekura no sa police fo no nsa be keka se nipa kro no kakra si ebechiw na bia wa me ya bre na ya chiw asumbo wa anye a ye betumi anuwase chese de o mbe ye wo no wa hwekura mu sa de ukoduru ho a eto de bia o nso wo de ukoduru ho obehu no me dem brash o munsem aye de ompeso mo ye. And this thing has been going on and going on and going on by the ni hwe because ankoye president biba ankoye minister biba ankoye MP biba eye obi a chese wono sebe onfunu susu a wontesuo sua ohiani wo hye aben a wonya tiefo nti mobrowafo ahiafo ne ho kyere ye wokromu a obu a police ni ye wo den wo violate your rights a waye no free woko and some of us you see a better report because we feel say woko kan kura ho na be so wasena na akusi sei it da wo je kyere die but they don't have the right to be abusing us. In fact bra na behwe eye Ibrahim Mahama ya aprosifo enye Mahama nua Mahama Ibrahim Mahama no we a visual artist na behwe de o maye no oye popular pa wukrumu a ne dinti no ya dia asem no abeyasem na tie kakra o kire mu de ekoso tie no bra Facebook in sha 104.5 behwe bra no apira ne senso na ebu no bibi nti yaye no black and white kakra se be ya moja na ewo na tade mu ayese black ne yembese moja ne beba Facebook in sensimity bra behwe ade ne tie no.
I might not be able to travel. I was really assaulted by the police today. You can see how they broke my tooth. And then my mouth is even bleeding. My ribs are all hurting. So Khadija brought me home. Went to take a shower and I'm probably head to the hospital. So, yeah, if you don't hear from me, this is it. Hi, Francesca. I hope you're well. I'm sorry, I might not be able to travel. I was really assaulted by the police today. You can see how they broke my tooth. And then my mouth is even bleeding. My ribs are all hurting. So Khadija brought me home. Went to take a shower and I'm probably head to the hospital. So, yeah, if you don't hear from me, this is it. Hi, fine.
Eji bra Facebook behwe na no nyina paapai ne singina bubuntie kasem na wahu se de ye kan yi se de o kire se prosifo no e ne bu no ma ne si no ebubu saa mana no e paapai.
Went to take a shower and I'm probably head to the hospital. So, yeah, if you don't hear from me, this is it. Hi, Francesca. I hope you're well. I'm sorry, I might not be able to travel. I was really assaulted by the police today. You can see it.
Eji oni o se police for no na abono a waka se police for na ebo no e ma ne senso ebu o ma breaking teeth na ebra no da hospital no so enkomotwetwe koso o kan sem bia ye very serious be so ba Facebook be hade on da hospital we o kan sem bia ye very serious. I want you to pay attention and listen to him. Me won sem kan ne because this thing has been going on and it must stop. Tieno.
One of them even made a statement that even they could kill us and nothing will happen. Yes, so at the station, one of them even made a statement that even they could kill us and nothing will happen. Yes, so I'm like, what kind of country are we living in? Yeah, so can't private citizens be free anymore?
Or say, Ebra omodeni dru police station hono. One of the police officers make a statement say, "Yebetumi ekum bibia ensi. Yebetumi ekum bibia ensi." Eye no kure say police ni ekunwa most times say in that obehuna case ne nanam ha ni aye na yi Ghana justice why den. In this statement ya working. He is saying it. Say no press police ni ne kan sa kire no a. I wouldn't be surprised. Say you betumi akum bibia ensi. Na CDD Center for Democratic Development Oma Kasimi 2023 wo muso vebi omo yeye e kire se prosifo chi nipa beye enumu a enipa on bechi omo nyina no emu omo chi nipa du a emu num de ntia ye chi omo krampempi no kromo nta nka nkire omo 46% nipa ye chi omo no emu beye enum almost enum de ye nka nkire omo se 46% of arrest on be nipa on bechi woman. Woman can't tell me say we ni wenti ni echo. ebu a force ni agidi nipa na yabechew yeduru a obehu yeduru a obete yenko yentimi nka hwe nkyere wa hage se ye de wokọ omo se oma about 46% of arrests no sa netie ye ma wu die nti kra ye befa wo ye se ye mefa wo mra ni abechew ne ye de wokọ omo se 51% ya nkyerechire omu so ebi kra ya achiwi ne wo beka ewa ha no enu ne ye de begina wo court etibi aka wano tum anase bia ye bekyerɛ so ya kyew de ba wo right say utimi frɛ wo lawyer ana wo frɛ obi a ono betumi aba abetwerɛ wasɛba ma wo a wo gini die omo nka enkyerɛ wo de obetumi aye ne ye de wakɔ hyem na kyese de pese ye ya ne sɛ wo no obefesi mra no without even knowing your right to omo say about 51% edu wuchemu edu a emu num de wo so ye nkyerɛkyerɛ wo mo de obetumi aye bra ya kye wo mo. And then 67% were denied access to their lawyers. Etimu beye almost enson de uchemu dua. O ye mo kwan kra so mbe from lawyer mpo. En wakasa ansa na de omo wo ye no ma ye. Enti this is what CDD observed. A worrying trend e wo Ghana. Ye security system ni mu, especially police for adwuma e wo krumu a. Na denti am ye worried ne say Ibrahim Mahama visual artist Northern Regional Police Command de krata bi babonte je fato somame omu ka sembi omu say the Northern Regional Police Command has commenced the investigation into a reported assault on visual artist Mr. Ibrahim Mahama by some officers in Tamale. The command assures the public that updates of the ongoing investigations will be duly communicated. Meanwhile, Shehani Yemame, point 3 no. Meanwhile, claims in sections of media that the Special Operations Team, the Black Maria, was involved in this case are false. Science are false. Since the team has been out of the northern region following their withdrawal by the Inspector General of Police on Thursday, the 5th of March, 2026. Etikrata ne kyerɛ sɛ Northern Regional Police Command so much as omu yehwehwemu wɔ de esi ye no. Na mmom nsɛm bi kɔso an sentropho ɛka enye no korɛ sɛ Black Maria fo no ɛna edi sɛ adwuma no. Sɛ de na ne nam frɛmba mu sɛ Ibrahim Mahama sɛ Black Maria fo no ɛna wɔn mo ɛbo no. Now, after this statement from the Regional Police Command, no, DSP Abdul Jalil Alaji, one on the Black Maria team nano, enso ekasai. Na nin someone or diabetu jano. GBC I reported. Baby, my sign or the young kind will say, however, bra Facebook. Or say, however, DSP Abdul Jalil account directly contradicts this position. In his statement, he noted that Muslim personnel within the IGP Special Operations Team joined their team commander in the northern region to celebrate the occasion, adding that the team actively intervened in a traffic situation in Tamale, which escalated into an arrest. It was so bra what you say, traffic na bus bia block kwan no. Enti omo call say bus no omu enyimfiri onipa pia kan say bus no omu nyimfiri o driver no kra ruru yin wo tim mo mpese obetie bibia ene ma wo mo ebowura mu force wa sa ade no esiye a wo se na obi resist arrest it will resist arrest wo mpese ye beche no ena wo mu yusu wo mu ahoden eche no. It is alright. Also, he explained that after persistent refusal, the team gained access to the vehicle. During the subsequent arrest, the suspect resisted, leading to a brief struggle. Leading to a brief struggle before he was eventually subdued. A German Nipano or resisting arrest, a German struggle here. But my question here, matter of concern, is that the Northern Regional Command, first of all, say Black Maria Bieniho. Any krum wokra. But Abdul Jalil or Black Maria commander and say no mu wokrum ho. Onu ko celebrate Idil Fitr no. Ti no mu ho. And nkrofo ni team members ni bi be join no. And were there sent there for security operations. And I say omo an eko celebrate o ma de. These are questions we must ask. Because say IGP na de omo ko yanka Northern Regional Command ni be hu say team no ye den e wokrum ho. tinkomu meka se ensem ansentrofoɔ ka ne force enei IGP DSP Jalila odi eye Black Maria nanim kyerɛ sɛ no mo wo Northern Regional Command so no mu ni ho eye force eti hwan na ɛka no korɛ no kyerɛ initially eba no so ene Ibrahim Mama na ɔka se abo no wahu nkrɔfo krɔkrɔ ebo no ba Black Maria team na nkasa be confirm sɛ no mo ho no mo ensure traffic ɛkyerɛ the gaba ɛwɔ ɛyɛ ye security system ni mu who sanctioned their command was abre no omatumi akodu Northern Region air control traffic such an occasion Northern Regional Command na ntimi ansma ne officers anko control traffic but it took the Black Maria from somewhere to come there and control traffic. Is that what is happening there? Ghana Police Service, who issues command for Black Maria on their operations, and how do you operate chain of command net to say eden omtimi koduru o abra commander wo region ho eni hu hwe enye de esi ye ya ki enim se saa de no kra ekoso enemu nyina mo ma conflicting accounts police system no ensemum police adwuma no ensemum IGP yohunu meaning said this is the system as a police service operate. Say police ni bia timi duru ba bia no a start ye adwuma wa bra command na wo ho no mo mama ne. When the sanctions are operations now and answer or sanction omo say eduro na BBC a omo atimi de mra hye omo nsem e brutalizing crofo say. There's a problem. And you say ya ni aya ni akatasu mu asene on say duru ba bi no no mo be ka say ya mo no ya nya ni say but waka audio na me boy no o kan say ya bo no. Article 15 of Ghana your constitution kasa about human rights. Say wo chi wo bi mpa Black Maria musimu ye team, the team entered the vehicle and you one person, and this man here one person here oda femi without a rightful this man cannot overpower Black Maria team. Any papa. A team which is more than 2, 3, 4 people. Now this man odahoya mo piani. Mo say onu na ho de esun chemo sa abre nti you have to brutalize him like this. Want me restraining no in by manpower. Then I question your strength as Black Maria. One person, you do this to him. A team, a whole team on one person. Human rights, Article 15. Or say the dignity of all persons shall be inviolable. Now, or say no person shall, whether or not he is arrested, restricted or detained, be subjected to torture or other cruel, inhumane or degrading treatment or punishment. It is here obia enise nipa no o torture no o ye na yakayaka de o prepare no shadaka wani gusu prepare no enise wo ye ne saa na Ghana mra no etie na eye me fe. Go to the USA. Ye trisabe a curasinti. Ye te Ghana a curasinti. Ye no man saying curasisem. Because ye this is not the kind of policing we want. Ye ni bra Facebook behadie. This is a police guy wempo die or pen police ni ba kwa. And this is a team. This is not one policeman arresting a person. This is a team. Team like Black Maria. This is a team. And you know, omochi no man bonese say entu. Oman bono look. The way see ma bra omo beche no. Oman bono. But Ghana ha yenim de besi. Ochi no wie ya so tro ne dikai. Bra be ha de e wo Facebook. How they operate.
Speed chase involving a stolen police cruiser. Officers and a police canine staged a dramatic takedown of the suspect overnight. Authorities say he stole a patrol car during a traffic stop near the 10 freeway in Atlantic in Alhambra. The suspect then led police into the Larchmont area, where he then got out of the car and took off running. Authorities are now investigating how that suspect managed to steal that police cruiser in the first place. Well, a man's in custody after a high-speed chase involving a stolen police. Officers and a police.
Brother Hardy, how omo handle situation.
Officer.
And this was helpful because I didn't hear my who we nyina say na omo cameras, dashboard cameras a see car so. Nti car ni moving nyina say car light na atọ omo so no. Ti car ni moving nyina na take video. Tika na wura eyi adi o tika light no na eto mo so nti eto so no e take video of the ekobia a police phone nso wo body cameras bo mo ho a e take incident ni nyina ye hu die esi into the account that Black Maria Emma yesisi no say ena or resist arrest ena we try to subdue him ena sa eyi na mu ye a team more than 2 people on one person yetimi brutalizing ni say dia. Then there's a big question to ask from the Ghana Police Service. The only time I'll be say US ni broni US ni police ni obetwe tu ana ni be bra obeye bibi ni bra obehu se nipa ni kura weapon etuo ana se kan yema ye ni mie na sebe ye kura sesem ni wo ye tirimu dudu. Chise US ni police ni yahun se bia wafa sekan bia na wafa ba bia na wafa bibia wode be pra no ansa no no nso a react aggressively banye se wo bechi obi na ho na wo chi no a ono a beka se chinchina ai se wo fi se ono nso wodi bi ma obe fin se e se wo chi no smoothly no, but you could have even applied the escalation technique. Ebufu aba exchanges aba me nkomeko no ye wo se de oni nipa no be kasa. I love some of the commanders. Ebi omo boys ni ye commander ni bedru opelse bra wo de nya abotre ma ye mfa unu ho wo lawyer bakora bi a no oma kasa kama na de-escalate tensions. That is professional. We ebesi ya o on say ba ni atro headline Ibrahim Muhammad brutalized asa ye betro headline na asa Islamic senior high school student pepper sprayed hwan asa headline ni atro sa womo beya na fe eswa kata we na enkokora enye so wodin a ki ehunre noma police for dia ye nipa bi no okrumu ano. And this must be a turning point. Esi just solution to police brutality ekoso we ekrumu a. There must be reforms. IGP yohunu. There must be reforms to this police continuous police brutality ewo krumu a. Because onu obi kura nya asem no obepie mu a eche se o kire ni bibi kakra. Police ni no ni nua bi na obi akofum ni nti wokoche se nipa no a ese wo kire ni bibi kakra. We must prioritize professionalism, transparency and respect over sa no mana ye no. It's too much with the brutalities. Yensu bibi na the US dia to so no. E yenkrasesem ye no kuromu ano. Enkuye. How can you do this? Eugene.
How police for